There's a little bit of bait fish that just jumped here in front of me. I brought my lure through. 2 of them popped out. Oh, I just got a bite. I got a fish.
There you go.
White bass.
White bass?
Yeah. Hit it on the paws. I'll be able to see anything with me with the. This is both of our first times in actual Paint Creek this year. Got out today for a little bit. It's nice and cool out. Decided to throw a jerk bait. It's a bait I don't really throw all that often, but it's starting to grow on me. Last 2 trips, I think it's been the main bait that I've gone to. This is the Berkeley hit stick. I believe it's suspending. I don't think it's the floating one, but first fish out here today. Nice little white bass. Nice to run into a fish. Hopefully we can find a school of them. Oh yeah. That's about the same size as all them ones we caught in the river. Yeah.
That's pretty good size.
Oh yeah, he's not bad at all. Yeah, we'll take him. Thank you, sir. Because there's a lot of people that park there and get in, and then they kayak to the 50 bridge. That would take you down through like there's another fish. The Three Sisters. The littler one. A larger spot. I think that's a spot.
His eyes red.
Yeah, his eyes are super red. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's a little spot. Number 2 on that hit stick.
Just don't pull an Andrew.
Just yeah, I know. That's exactly what I thought when I grabbed the first fish. Yeah. I'm not a jerkbait guy, but I guess you can say I am now.
I'm fixing to be.
Yeah, just a nice little chunky. There's a red eye on that thing.
We love them.
Oh yeah.
I like it when they get those. Every smallmouth I've caught in the last couple weeks has had those.
Yeah, I mean, there ain't much to him, but he wanted it. Oh. Yeah, we move on down now. Got him. He's out in the middle. Oh man, that looks like a nice fish. He's coming right at me. Oh, dude. Oh man. He was laying right out in the middle. He's thick too. Yeah, right directly up the middle.
Dude,
Look at that.
yeah, I just took a picture because I was way down there. That's a pretty fish too.
That, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a leaf or a log or like a stick sticking out right up there. And maybe it's not, maybe it's a leaf, but oh yeah.
I just took my top one off too.
Here, will you, I'm gonna see if I can get, I have yet to master the underwater release.
There we go.
Hey! No?
Something.
Yeah, that looks like a little spot.
I hooked him. I belly hooked him. Paging Dr. Constable.
Quick and easy.
Quick and easy.
For the little spot.
Yeah, a little spot bass. Little bitty feller. Hey, the skunk's gone.
Yeah, got on the board. We just made it to our turnaround spot.
Baby bass Chapo 75. Thank you, buddy.
He's chunky.
Don't you do it, dude. Calm down. Look. There's a gill plate. He's a thick one. He's got the
Tooth patch.
tooth patch. He's got a spotted bass.
Heck yeah.
Look how red his eyes are there. Pictures. Better fish than the first one.
If I had to guess. Yeah. Yeah, well that's the thing. I've reeled in slime almost every other cast. And then the cast that I don't.
Got him.
Nice.
Dude, that's a good fish. Much better.
Right?
Oh, I thought we had a... Ooh, he's going warm.
That's the benefit of fishing two different lures. If you're fishing with somebody, I threw in with top water, had 4 different blow-ups. Derek threw in there.
With a Coppertrue's Ned rig.
Good
PRD
follow-up.
With a good follow-up.
Yeah. Not bad.
On that note,